Okay, the last thing that you can be asked to solve for is going to be the area using that force equation or Pascal's equation. So what we are going to do is quickly revisit that idea of cheating algebra. Shh, it's a big secret. Nobody knows. All right, so when you solve for the area, let's see here. Let's write down our cheat circle again. Again, we're putting pressure is equal to force divided by area. So we want to make sure that when we substitute it in to this little thing, it says force divided by area. Pressure is here. Now if I want to solve for the area, I cover that up. I'm left with force divided by pressure. So area is equal to force over pressure. Excellent. You see that? For number 7, we have a tube that has a weight. Please remember weight in pounds. That is telling you your force. Tube stood on its end and pushed down on the floor with a, ooh, nice, tells you the pressure, 2 pounds per square inch. How many square inches at the end of the tube? This is nice. It tells you what the final unit should be. So let's see if we can get that to work out. All right, we know area is equal to force divided by pressure. And you notice we have both force and pressure, so this should be pretty straightforward. We have our 30 pounds. We're going to divide it by 2 pounds per square inch. And you notice here, 30 divided by 2 is going to be 15. Then we have to deal with our units. Again, going back to our conversation from the last video, anytime you have anything divided by itself, like x divided by x, the rule is you get the number 1. So pounds divided by pounds will give you the number 1. You are left with inches squared, which is great because it actually asked you how many square inches you were going to end up with. So you must have the right answer if your units worked out properly. You notice it's down here, but you will multiply by your reciprocal, and that will bring it up to the top. Okay? For the rest of the problems here, you need to make sure that you're going through and reading very carefully to see what the question is asking you to determine. Number 10 wants the pressure, so you should use the pressure equation. Number 11 is looking for the weight, so you need to make sure you calculate that. And finally, if you read carefully, this is asking you what is the pressure, okay? How much would this weigh and what will be the pressure? You need to answer those questions using the equations that we just developed. All right, once you're finished with this, please make sure I get it because I am waiting for you to show it to me.